Hi guys, it's Peyton. Hang on, I gotta take a selfie for my thumbnail. So just give me a minute, I need to look really ugly in this photo. Even though it's impossible to do because it's me. Anyway, just kidding, let's begin. Okay, I should have gotten a mirror. To start off my tutorial, we're gonna have to put on some primer because you don't want your face getting all oily or whatever you have problems with in your skin. We're gonna go in with some pore primer thing. Mum, would you like to say anything since you interrupted? Oh, hey there. I have my beauty blender. It is dirty. It is wet, but that's okay. Well, it is dirty, but it's wet, so that's okay. Yeah, I know, it's like 2 years old and it's broken. I need a new one, but I really don't want to spend my money on a new one. Is you want to do whatever you do next, which I do my foundation. Even though that's a really stupid idea, I probably should do my eyebrows because the foundation gets so weird in my eyebrows. Let's do my eyebrows. So this is going to be a primer and it's going to dab on my lid. Yeah, I'm going to look at you because I don't have a mirror. I have a mirror. Hi guys, welcome. I am your freestyle dance teacher.
Hi, I'm Renata Bliss and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
I'm so cringy, I'm just like... Yeah, that's where your brow should start. So start there, and then if you tilt it to the side a bit, that's where your arch should go. And then if you do it down to the bottom of your nose, that's where it should end. And a little goes a long way with this concealer, so don't use too much. I'm back. So I've got some stuff on my lid, but that's okay. I can clean it any day I want. Mainly tonight because I am a clean freak. If you couldn't tell if you haven't watched my videos, go watch them. I'll put it up here for you. Oh, maybe it's this side, I don't know. One of these sides, even. Alright, now we're going to put on our foundation. And then we're going to do the rest of our face makeup. Some Arbor, which is a private company, so I don't think you can buy it online. But if you can buy it online, I suggest buying it. It's very good for a more natural look. But if you don't want a natural look, you can just pile it on like I do. I'm going to go and mix both these colours together because I'm running out, and plus my shade isn't even a thing anymore. Now I still got a lot on my hand. Use it on your chin because you use it on your jaw because you probably don't have it on your jaw because most people don't. Up there. I'm gonna add a little highlight. And then apparently you're supposed to do it on your jawline too. I do their things very differently to everyone else does, but that's because I'm a different person, and for this tutorial you have to do it differently too. So okay, now we're just going to move on to our eyes while we do that. So I use tape to give me the perfect look because I've got a bit of hooded eyes, so I don't know how to keep in the line. I do, it just takes a lot of effort, so if you use tape it's a lot more easier. Also, you don't know how to do eyeliner properly, you can also use tapes. Honey, I'm home! Threw a bit on there because that was empty, but while you do that, just, I don't know, do your bronzer or something. So I'm going to go for a golden look because models usually wear gold and brown tones. So gold and brown tones I'm going for. And it's going to be smoking. Have a look at how much fake I have on that thing. The Jade palette from by Nude by Nature. So we're going to go in with that, and we're going to go in with the shade, the fourth thing on the palette, the first one in row 1. A little bit of henna and sandalwood at the same time. So in case you don't know what that is, it's those two. Okay, a little tip is one eye is uneven looking, and you have to go up higher to match it, even if it's way higher than the other eye compared to your other one. Go back in with the same shimmer you just had, but this one's more of a darker shimmer. You can just clean up whatever is, you know, not even with the other eye. Okay, so like on this eye, you don't want to smoke it all the way under. You just want to smoke it like a quarter of the way, or like half-ish of the way down. And also this look, you don't need eyeliner because you already have a winged out like eye look. I got it from BYS in Kmart because I was cheap back in the day. And my friends actually used this as lipstick. That was so funny.